I got my package. It's here. Oops, I was holding up to that. I'm excited. And in case you guys are wondering what package is she talking about, it's the Doordash package. It came in the mail today. Signed up to become a dasher. And I don't know how it's gonna work, but so far I can say that I'm excited because I've been waiting for this package for a while. I signed up on, I think, Friday, so I've been waiting for a while, and today is Wednesday. I really want to know how this will turn out. You can tell I'm anxious. I'm just rambling, but I'm excited. I know you guys are probably waiting for me to open this up. I don't know if okay, I need scissors. The sun is coming in and out because the clouds are like, whew. Okay, this is how it comes. An instruction card. Oh, it also comes with this little plastic. This will be the bag that I will be carrying on my little adventure. I can't wait to take you guys along with me. I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up. Alright, so it tells you install the Dasher app, type in the website, tap download app, you go to, if it's iPhone, settings, general, device management, Palo Alto Delivery Inc. And then when you see Palo Alto, you tap trust Palo Alto Delivery. Then once you tap trust again on the next screen, you receive this email. And I received an email right away. I'll post a picture right there showing you what the email looked like. So now what I have to do is set up the card, type in the information, trying to go right here. So you would just tap this right here, and then you would put in your information. So in Delight number, put the number that's next to Delight, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then it shows you where the last four are, so I'm just gonna put the last four. And then you submit it. Once it's submitted, you get a text. You get a text welcoming you to Doordash. Okay, so I'm just gonna open up the text. Okay, look, there's two texts. I received two. So the first one said, congratulations on activating your Dasher account. You now have 60 days to complete 150 deliveries and earn at least $1,250. Learn more here. And then there's a link down below. And then it says in the second text, welcome to Doordash. For on-delivery support, please chat with us in the Dasher app. For non-urgent support, please visit www.doordash.com/help. So that, I believe, is the end of the process. And then I guess after that, set up your direct deposit. But to set up your direct deposit, go to earnings, which I'm going to do right now. Going to earnings and pressing the icon in the upper right corner and selecting direct deposit, and then you would just set up your direct deposit. You could either take a photo, and yeah, that's how you would set that up. Step number 4 is just showing you how to declare your tax, a W-9 taxpayer identification. You would go to this website. So it's pretty simple. I mean, the steps seem tedious, but they're pretty much required in order for you to start. So I hope this video helped you guys. Thanks for watching. This card is so basic.